Unlock the potential to earn a six-figure income by selling digital products and dropshipping digital goods in 2024. The digital marketplace offers boundless opportunities, and with the right strategies, you can generate substantial revenue. Some entrepreneurs are already raking in over $100,000 annually. Ready to dive in and learn how to tap into this lucrative market? Let's get started. Welcome to day 11 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of selling digital products and dropshipping digital goods. If you've been following our series, you know we're committed to bringing you the most effective and innovative ways to make money online. This is a game-changing strategy, and the earning potential is astronomical. Picture this. There are digital entrepreneurs making more than $100,000 a year from the comfort of their homes. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. In this video, we'll explore how you can achieve similar success. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our series. Digital products have seen a meteoric rise over the past few years. From books and online courses to software and digital art, the demand for digital goods is booming. Unlike physical products, digital items can be created once and sold repeatedly without the need for inventory or shipping. This scalability makes them incredibly attractive for online entrepreneurs. Ebooks and reports. Share your expertise or creative writing. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish and sell your books globally. Online courses. Create and sell educational content on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. Courses on niche topics can command high prices. Software and apps. Develop software or mobile apps. Even if you're not a developer, you can partner with a programmer to bring your idea to life. Digital art and graphics. Sell your designs on marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, or directly through your website. Music and audio. Sell your music, sound effects, or audio loops on sites like AudioJungle and Bandcamp. Digital dropshipping involves selling digital products created by others. You act as the middleman, promoting the products and earning a commission on each sale. This model eliminates the need for product creation and inventory management, making it an attractive option for those new to online business. Finding a profitable niche is crucial. Research market trends and identify areas with high demand but low competition. Tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can help you pinpoint lucrative niches. Select a platform that aligns with your product type and target audience. For books, consider Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. For courses, platforms like Udemy or Teachable are ideal. If you're selling digital art, Etsy and Creative Market are great options.
If you're creating your own products, focus on quality and value. For dropshipping, find reliable suppliers with high-quality products. Websites like ClickBank and JVZoo offer a plethora of digital products for dropshipping. Create a professional online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile-optimized, and has a secure payment gateway. Marketing is key to driving traffic and sales. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to reach your audience. Invest in paid advertising through Google Ads and Facebook Ads to boost visibility. Email marketing is also effective. Build a mailing list and send regular updates and promotions to your subscribers. Search engine optimization (SEO) can significantly increase your organic traffic. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions, blog posts, and metadata. Tools like Yoast SEO for WordPress can help you optimize your content. Sarah Johnson, ebook publisher. Sarah started publishing ebooks on Amazon in 2020. By focusing on niche topics like vegan recipes and minimalist living, she quickly gained a following. In 2024, Sarah's ebook business generated over $150,000 in sales, allowing her to quit her job and focus on her passion full-time. Michael Lee, online course creator. Michael was a personal trainer who saw the potential of online courses. He created a series of fitness programs and launched them on Udemy. With strategic marketing and high-quality content, Michael's courses brought in $200,000 in 2024 alone. Emily Davis, digital art dropshipper. Emily loved creating digital art but didn't want the hassle of managing inventory. She turned to digital dropshipping, selling other artists' work on her Shopify store. By leveraging social media and influencer partnerships, Emily's business earned $120,000 in 2024. The digital marketplace is competitive. To stand out, focus on providing unique value and high-quality products. Consistent marketing and customer engagement are also essential. While creating and selling digital products doesn't require advanced technical skills, some knowledge of web development, graphic design, and digital marketing can be beneficial. Numerous online courses and tutorials are available to help you acquire these skills. Building trust with your customers is crucial, especially when selling digital products. Ensure your website is secure, provide excellent customer service, and offer satisfaction guarantees or refunds to build credibility.
Future trends.
Future of selling digital products is really secure. Artificial intelligence and automation tools are revolutionizing the digital product landscape. From AI-driven content creation to automated customer service, leveraging these technologies can streamline your operations and enhance your offerings. Subscription-based models are gaining popularity. Offering digital products on a subscription basis can provide a steady stream of income and increase customer loyalty. Consumers are increasingly expecting personalized experiences. Use data analytics to understand your customers better and tailor your products and marketing efforts to meet their needs. The world of digital products and dropshipping is ripe with opportunity. By tapping into this market, you can unlock the potential for substantial earnings and achieve financial independence. Whether you're creating your own products or dropshipping others, the key to success lies in identifying a profitable niche, offering high-quality goods, and effectively marketing your business. Embrace the digital revolution and start your journey today. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 11. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe, hit like button, and press the bell icon to get latest videos with new methods of earning.